Hi everyone, I'm so excited. I just got this package of leather that I've been waiting on for quite a while. This is something that I bought on Etsy and I wanted to share it with you. It's a package that took a little bit longer to arrive, but I think it was worth it. And the fun thing about this package is that I could get a lot of variety for a pretty decent price. So I'm not sure if this is all going to be organized. Oh yes, it looks like it is because they're taped together. You can see some of the sets that I bought. So each set, I'm just going to say an approximate price. I'd say it was approximately $10. And so that makes every one of these 5x5 squares about $2.50. And they had so many, dozens and dozens and dozens of options. I probably got a dozen, maybe 2 dozen options. A lot of them just had some really fun texture that I like. These are all genuine leather. Some I got with just an extra shimmer, and it shows you what the back of the leather looks like too. So I like that, how you can see the front and the back. These leathers were ordered on Etsy. I'll link below, but I just wanted to kind of show you what some of the options were. This was another set of 4. That's the back side. So it's just a really pretty texture. I'm always looking for gray, so I thought this would be fun. I really like the back. The back is it's all super soft. White, I thought this was nice. One of the things I like is this is genuine leather, but it's not super thin, and so I like that. And then here's another metallic, kind of a silver metallic. I love how they kept the sets together that I bought. It kind of helps me see what exactly I bought. Pretty deep color, great for fall. There's kind of a bronze, a bright metallic red, and another white. And I just love anything that has like the whites and the blacks because you can never have too many of those. And here's a really great red. And then here's another fun set. This one has kind of another deep, oh, you know, I bet is this the same one? I think I got 2 of this one. I love these colors so much. I thought I'd be making a ton of earrings for Christmas. And I thought all of these were perfect for Christmas. So I actually got 2 of that set. And then this was just kind of an interesting mix. I thought this was a really pretty material, be great for kind of larger statement earrings. And I love this texture, and I love how tiny it is. Sometimes when you do smaller earrings, I like to have a smaller print or a smaller texture versus big pieces on small earrings. So I really like that. A really pretty darker color here, and then kind of a burgundy color, rusty burgundy color there. Let's see. I did want to get fall. I'm kind of trying to plan ahead. This was a set that I thought would be really great and fun for fall. And like I said, these all came out to be about $2.50 a square. And I already got on my Cricut mat and did like a 5x5 canvas. I was trying to see how many earrings I could get on a 5x5. And I was getting about 6 pairs of earrings. But in some cases, when I did bigger earrings, I was getting like 4. But even then, if you figure $2.25, let's just say $3 if you round up, that's only about 75 cents per pair for your leather. So I just thought it was a really great price just to get some really different materials. Then I found this set, which I also really like. This has a great texture to this black leather. And then I love this chocolate color. It's really dark. See, the backs are just so pretty. Like the back, if the back was showing, it would almost look like a beautiful brown suede. Either side that shows, it's just going to be so pretty. Here's another brown. Oops. And then I was so excited about this piece of leather because I'm going to do some Disney earrings. And so I thought this would be a really fun material to use for that. I'll probably use a black and do a die cut with the Mickey ears and have this piece be on the back and show through. I thought that would be really fun. And then this I thought would be another beautiful statement earring. I could probably do just a plain teardrop and then also do my statement earring is kind of that bigger one. And I love these really pretty materials for those. This, I felt kind of lucky. I don't know if everybody loves these colors, but our high school colors are these 2 colors, this blue and yellow. And so if anytime I find these in a genuine leather, I get really excited. I got a great sheet. I'll link to this other box of leather that I get on Amazon. I just love it. It's a scrap kit. And I've gotten several of those and I use them all the time. I love those. And sometimes I'll get this yellow, which I love. But the scrap kit, you never know exactly what you're going to get. You always get really good stuff, but it's not always exactly the same. And then on top of the yellow and blue, I love these other two pieces that come in this set of 4. This is so pretty, again, for a great statement earring. And then I love the fabric, and this is super, one of the things I just love is how soft. It's also super soft. So that's another set of 4. I actually got 2 of those just because, again, I do a lot of high school stuff and I love that. And then what else do we have in here? It's so fun because I kind of forget. It took so long I forget what I got. Oh, this is more, I think maybe this came apart. I'm not sure. This is some of the fall stuff I got. I thought these would be really cute, like pumpkin earrings, just regular fall earrings. I thought these would be great. Great patterns for that. So cute. And then I love it when I buy on Etsy and they throw something in. So there's a little packet that says gift, and there's a pretty decent size piece of leather here. I'll get it out so you can see. Oh, there's actually 2. So it looks like just a plain white leather, which again, you can never have too much plain white leather. And so I look at these alone, like this sheet alone, I could get probably about 4 to 5 pair of earrings out of. So that's pretty cool to get that as a gift. Plus this one's probably about 6 pair. And then if I use this, I'd probably iron something onto those since they're white. All right, I hope you found the video helpful today. Again, I just wanted to show you, kind of do my unboxing of all of these fun 5x5 squares. It's just a way to get lots of different materials, but only invest in kind of a quarter of the sheet price, because on average they were about $2.50 a sheet, which is about 5x5. And just get lots of different fun textures and colors to play with if you want to make a bunch of earrings. So I'm going to link to that address below. I'm also going to link just to some other leathers, and I may even link to some my favorite faux leather shops on Etsy. These are from Etsy. I may link to those as well, just in case you're getting started and wanting to find leathers. It's always good to get a recommendation. These I like. These are all pretty thin. They're going to cut if you are using a Cricut machine. They're all going to cut pretty nicely. There's nothing on here that I see that looks like it's more than about 1 mm, which means when I use that genuine cut setting, it's gonna cut up super easy and super clean. So thanks everybody for watching today.